Alrighty, hello, welcome to the 16th day of the coding process. And if you watched the last video, you may be wondering why we're still in the same game, and that is because I forgot to export the stuff, import the package before I went in. I am actually going to do something first. I am going to export this and call it type 3 copy, just in case I want to do something with that later. But let's go ahead and what was that? Okay, it's just showing me that. All right, let's go ahead and import the custom stuff. It is challenge 3 starter files. All right, import. Wait for it to load. Come on. There we go. Challenge 3. We'll go ahead and close everything. Challenge 3. Open it up. Wrong thing. Challenge 3. Open it up. We go. All of this is for our stuff below, down here. All right, that's fine. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at let's first take a look at what we want, which is in the instructions. If you look down here at this tiny video, I'll try and make it a bit bigger. Oh, it's got noise. All right. There are monies that can be collected. And you can die. All right. So that's what we're looking for. I'll go ahead and just put that back how it belongs. Now let's see what we're starting with. Let's go ahead and see when we hit play. First, we're going to make sure that I'm recording. Now we're going to hit play and see what happens. Warning, this might be loud. I don't know. All right. So okay, so how it was a little bit loud. I don't know if it was loud for you, but it was loud for me. So I was unable to control the balloon, and the background did not start moving until I died. So that's not good. What's this particle? Oh, we don't want to move it. I mean, we're probably going to want to eventually, but not yet. So I think the first thing we're going to want to do is be able to move the player, and then we're probably going to want to fix the background. And I can't tell because I died instantly, but I don't think this money or this bomb, I don't think either of them are spawning. So, yeah. Yep, I'm going to take a look at the code. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I went ahead and opened up all of the and all right, this is I am unintentionally in the one that I need to be in. First, let's just make sure it even has the. Whoa, that was kind of cool. Do it again. Okay, where's the player? Does he even have the? Yes, he does have the player controller. Okay, I just had to make sure he had the player controller, because if he did not, then that would be the answer. Let's take a look at his box collider. Yep, that's right. It's not in the instructions, or, well, there isn't instructions. It's not in the thing. Just wanted to make sure that, well, it was there. All right. So, so where's the get key? If while space is pressed and player is low enough, low up, if get key space and game over, add force vector 3 times flow up. That's not what we. This is on collision. This is also not what we want yet. This is on start. Add a small upwards force at the start of the game. That's fine. Add gravity. So this is what we need. Dot input get key space. Get key code. Is that the wrong? That's the wrong. That's the wrong one. Add force. No. Get key code. Get key down. Input get key down. Maybe that's what we need. Key. Please stop. Down. Maybe we need get key down because that's when the key is pressed down. So maybe that'll work. Go ahead and load. You know what? Can I? What's playing the volume? It should be in Spawn Manager, maybe. I don't know what controls the volume or the background music. I'm pretty sure it's in the camera, correct? Yes. Volume 1. All right. Hopefully it's not as loud now. We'll go ahead and see if I can press space to do anything. The answer is no. Give me just a couple of minutes. Okay. I do not want to say how long it's been. That took way too freaking long. And look, it's gonna play noise, but it fucking shoots into the sky. What the hell? I can just send it to space. I'm gonna have to like, I'll just go ahead and show you. I'll show you the code in a second. I'm gonna have to give it like a mass of like 700. I don't know. I can probably fix this actually in the code, but I just want to. I think it would be funny to have a balloon with a mass. Okay, that's too heavy, but it would be funny to have a balloon with like an insane mass. All right, so what I had to do was first, it was not getting the components of the rig body, so I added that, and then I also gave it a force mode and impulse. But I think I'm gonna change that maybe. I don't know because I don't remember what they all do. I know impulse makes it like instant, gives an instant amount of whatever force that is. Maybe adds continuous force to the rig body using its mass. Adds an instant force. Adds a continuated acceleration. Adds an instant velocity change. Let's just try dot force. Is this the way to fix it? I don't know. I'm just trying stuff. That's the whole point of this challenge. Right? We'll go ahead and hit space. It didn't work. I hit space and nothing happened. So we'll go ahead and try a different thing. We'll try acceleration. Will it work? Who knows? Probably someone who knows how to code. So it didn't work. I was spamming spacebar. So then it is still impulse. Impulse is what works. So we must give the balloon more mass. I'm sure we could fix it like in the code. But a 50-kilogram balloon is funny. I don't even know how much that is because I don't speak kilograms. I only know pounds, but you know, I just realized the code might have broke because it's not working at all. Can I still send it to space? Okay, I can still send it to space when it's out 1. How about we just set it to 3? If this doesn't work, I'll pause the video. Oh. Yeah, that's good. I like that. Yep, that works with me. All right. Time to die. All right. I don't know what the next thing is. Player should float up as the player presses spacebar. The background only moves up when game is over. Alrighty. Is it supposed to move up continuously as I hold spacebar? Hold on a minute. I changed it to get key down because I wanted to. And I don't know if I mentioned that, but let's go ahead and see if I hold spacebar now. Will it just continue going? Oh, yeah, it indeed did keep going up. What if I get rid of this force mode impulse stuff completely? Okay. So I think it does have to do with. Or I think it was meant to be get key. Give me one moment to fiddle with the weight. Okay, so we now have a 100 kilogram balloon. And for people who do not speak kilograms, that is 220 pounds. And look at just how well it floats. I can just float it. I can take it to the moon. Oh yeah, this thing spins, by the way. If it comes back down, I can show you that it spins. See? It just spins, which is pretty cool. I can't keep... I'm not editing the spinning script. If you go into source files, the spin script is actually there, but that is not part of it. I think the people who just were making the game just added that, but that's pretty cool. All right, on to the background stuff, I think. Yeah, I didn't pause. I'm back. I didn't learn anything. I took a break on accident, but I'm back, and all of a sudden I'm feeling really I just knocked something over. Really energetic. I'm ready to code. So like, gonna see if still feeling energetic by the time I figure out what's wrong with this. We'll find out. Alrighty. I did not fix the problem to where it starts going automatically, but now it does repeat. If I let myself die, it's because it starts on death for some reason, but it now, if you just pay attention to the bottom, it loops, which is coolio. And I'm still feeling energetic. And I even know what's wrong with it. Let me fix it. Alrighty, I fixed it. I literally added like 3. I typed out the word false. But it works. I think I still need to tweak the weight of the balloon a bit, but like, it works. I'll tweak the weight of the balloon just a bit later, but what I had to do was just set it to if it is game over, if game over is equal to false, because it had if it is game over, then do all this stuff, which is not what we want. We want it to stop it when it's game over. That reminds me, if I die, does it stop everything? I cannot die. The balloon or this thing is... All right, let's go ahead and... Well, actually, Control Z. We can pause it, play it, and then just drag this into the balloon. Because then I'll just die instantly. Or not. We're going to pause it as fast as we can. And put this in the balloon. I pressed the wrong button again. I'll get it right one of these times, alright? Alright, then I hit unpause. Yes, everything stops. Cool. Alright, that was more difficult than it should have been. Alright, on to, I did not realize if you hit space, it pauses your video on OBS. Alright, we are done with that. The next thing is no objects are being spawned. So, see it then? I don't know. Alrighty, I did indeed find the answer. I right away noticed this was spelled incorrectly, and then I fixed it to spawn object. I did not have an S, and then I spent probably the past like 10 minutes trying to figure out why the code was not working, and then I had to look up in the comments of the thing why it wasn't working, and I realized I forgot to type an S. That's fine though. Doesn't matter. Mistakes like that are gonna happen way more. So it doesn't matter. We're gonna go ahead and click play, and you will see that bombs and money should spawn after a while. Jesus. Oh. Scared myself. Money should spawn. Yeah, there, right there. Money. Then we got more money. We got money and bombs. And I did want to change how the balloon moved, but I kind of like how fast it accelerates upwards because it reminds me more of a balloon. I am going to add a border on the top so that it cannot exceed up there. So it won't like take forever to come back down, but for now, it is fine. And the next thing will be fireworks appear to the side of the balloon. Display at the balloon's position. Oakley dokley. I don't know what that means, but I'll find out. See you then. Alrighty, it was literally just, I just set the X position to 0 and it's in the same position as the balloon. It's just this. It's what plays when you collect the money if you go ahead and look. Or at least that's what I think it is. I could be very wrong, but when I collect the money, I'm pretty sure it also plays when I hit a bomb, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, there, when I collect money, it plays. Now, if you look closely, never mind, I don't think it plays when I hit a bomb. That's just what the bomb does. Alright, on to the next thing. The background is not repeating. Make it repeat seamlessly. Alright, I already did that. On to the next thing. Oh, it's a bonus. The balloon can float way too high. Prevent it from floating from... Alrighty, I will do that. Alright, so I have absolutely no idea what I did, but the balloon can no longer float. I have no idea what I did. I think the code is exactly the same as it was. It's possible I deleted something, but I'm pretty sure I didn't delete anything. So I have no idea what's wrong. I gotta fix. Alrighty, I found out why the balloon was no longer floating, and it is sad. It was because it was too heavy. I don't know why, but now the mass of 1 is good enough. That's sad. No more 220-pound balloon. Dang, is there gonna be no bombs? That was an insane streak. Oh, wait, didn't I change the gravity? Hold on. Right, no, I didn't change the gravity. It's been at 1.5. So, yeah, I have no idea why it did that. Who knows? I'll look over the video footage when I'm editing, and if there was a reason that I'm not realizing, I'll put it on text right here in the game right now. Is it there? Probably not, because I'm not good at editing, but whatever. On to fixing the problems. I made it more realistic. Look, when I hold spacebar now, the balloon barely goes up, and then it takes forever to catch itself. I'm not keeping it this way because this way sucks. Just wanted to show it. Also, let me go ahead and set this to, I don't know, 5. 5 will probably be fine. Play it again. And look, if I try to hit the ceiling, I'm not in the player. If I try to hit the ceiling, okay, 5 is not fine. Oh no, oh no. Ooh, that was close. If I try to hit the ceiling, okay, it's a little too high, but it stops. All right, I'm gonna finishing touch it a little bit. Alrighty. I fixed it. It can now no longer float up into space. It stops. I did not do it the way the game wants you to, but I'm lazy, okay? Shut up. I also fixed the air. It now doesn't go up too fast, I don't think, and it doesn't go down too slow, I think. I think it's good. It's good. It does go down pretty fast for a balloon, but I don't care. Oh yeah, I forgot to show how I even fixed it. I just put a block there so it just can't go up. Yeah. Now we got to make it actually bounce on the ground and play a little noise. I think it's actually I think it's this noise. This might be loud, so warning. Or was it this one? Okay, that's kind of loud, but I think it was the boing. Okay. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna do that. Alrighty. I'm back and I changed it. We no longer need this cube. I actually meant to delete the cube. I meant to delete the cube before I started recording, but it doesn't matter. Or unpaused it. But now when I go up, I come back down. I'm holding the button right now. I think where's the player? What elevation is he going to? I think that's a little too high. But it only goes to 15, but he goes so high. Well, if you're playing the game correctly, you're not going to end up going that high, so we'll go ahead and put it at 14 and a half. Now we're just going to go ahead and put it at 14, but I did change it. Why did I change it? Actually, I'm going to keep it at 15. I'm not entirely sure why I changed it. I just sort of felt like it, but this is not my code either. I stole this code. Where is the thing? I floats way too high. I went here. Let me see if I can find the person that I took their code. I don't know. I took someone's code from these comments. I just straight up stole it and then gave myself my own variables and everything because I wanted to. I wanted the top to be fixed, but I did not want to do it myself because I remember that these exist, these hints, and I read to add a boolean. I added one, but then forgot what the next steps to doing the rest of it were, so I just looked it up. And now I'm not going to look up how to do the next thing. I'm just going to do it. Alrighty. The game has been finished. I definitely didn't mess everything up multiple times, and it definitely hasn't been like half an hour. And I would never in a million years steal any. I just realized I forgot the sound effect. God freaking damn it. Alrighty, I fixed it. I fixed it by I didn't forget the audio thing. I just forgot to assign it. I just had to add boing in here. That was it. All right, now when we hit the ground, I don't like that boing noise though. Oh, I didn't see the bomb. Well, that is it. Yeah, that's the whole tutorial. That's the whole challenge. So, as I am now doing, the video will end when I die. So just enjoy the music, because I'm not gonna talk. Game over, man. Game over.